Hey guys, it's Phil from the Business Centre and I'm looking to invite you to our upcoming workshop on digital marketing mastery. So to give you an idea of how big social media is, on social media advertising there's been over $40 billion spent by marketers in 2016. It's an area where people are going on every single day, and an area that your business needs to be in order to capture that audience. What we're going to be going through in this workshop is how to organically grow your business, and by organic I mean for free. So we're going to go through ways how we can improve the SEO on your website, how you can rank more organically on Google so your customers can find you a lot easier. We're going to talk about how we can post and schedule items on Facebook. Facebook is a big engagement platform and you need to be educating, you need to be entertaining your customers on there. If you do those two things really well, they're going to go through and start to engage with your brand and ultimately buy your products. We're going to talk about how you can use LinkedIn to grow your business. Again, we're going to be talking about organic and free ways that you can do that. How can you liaise with influencers on LinkedIn? How can you post engaging and rich content so your customers go from not knowing who you are to going to purchase your products? And finally, we're going to talk about LinkedIn as well. LinkedIn is an untapped resource compared to the other social media websites. If your market is in the workforce and they're earning a decent income, then this is a platform that you need to be in. We're going to talk about strategies, again, how you can organically grow your LinkedIn following and how you can turn that into sales for your customers. So we do things a lot differently here at the Business Centre. We like people learn by doing. So I want you to come along with the mindset that I'm going to teach you a topic, you're going to implement it, and then we're going to practice it live in that workshop with you. I'm going to be there to support you, implement what we're learning, and we're going to follow that process throughout the day. Hope to see you there, guys.